David Odell here with Odell Complete Concrete. What we got here is an announcement of the winners for the GVS half mast. Also, here's a little job overview of what we're working on right now. We're going to do a lot of different things here, different concrete finishes. We're doing some stamped wood plank in the front porch area. Then we're doing a driveway here, RV driveway. We've got a driveway over here for the vehicles, passenger vehicles. Then we have another side yard for a possible RV. We also got dual approaches on this house, which is very unusual. I've never really seen that in this area before, but it happened here. Anyway, the winners for the GVS half mast are Keith Walker, Orlando Reyes, and Michael Zamora. Those are the winners. Once again, Keith Walker, Orlando Reyes, Michael Zamora. You can email me all your info to Odell Complete Concrete, your mailing address basically. Anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to watch this whole progress from beginning to end. Okay, so here's your RV driveway, and you can see they got a small approach here in the street. We're coming all the way back here. In this area, this driveway is 8.5 feet, about 60 feet long. From right here, straight from that edge of the driveway to the corner of the house, is going to be stamped concrete here. And we're just going to do, I think we're going to do wood plank stamp like I've done in another one of my videos. I'm going to use color hardener and powder release. Let's take a look down this side what we got. Well, this is going to be wall-to-wall concrete in here. We're going to have to put some expansion foam on the house, or probably put it on the wall. Anyway, here's the pool deck. And they put a new swimming pool, raised planter in the back. I guess the job didn't go that smoothly for the homeowner, so that's why I'm here on the secondary phase of this project. Okay, so right here, you'll see in the other videos that we're gonna post the whole process. It'll show what this was like before, but we'll still have a small planter here around the hose, and will be some hose valves here for the lawn and planter beds. Now here's the driveway. We've widened the driveway. It was just a typical 16 foot by 22, and now it's about 30 feet. So we've doubled the size of the driveway. Now here's your other apron approach, which is a lot wider than your standard. And over here on the side yard, what we have here is your pool backflow, which is and your sewer clean out. There's another, this is two directional clean out. One is designed to clean out backwards, and one is designed to clean out towards the street. There's another one around here somewhere. We'll have to find it. Anyway, I'm gonna put brass collars around them and flush them out. This one right here, nobody seems to know what this one's for, but we're gonna cap that one off. It was just another additional, who knows what for, but it's not even glued. But it is connected to the sewer. Then we have another sewer clean out here. We have the drain system that comes from the pool deck that runs all the way to the street right here. So we'll have to put this at the right level and put a drainage grate on it. But you look at the pool equipment here. It's right here sitting on this, and the board is, see what happens here. The board's here, the concrete's there. Never get that board out until it rots out. And what else? Anyway, that's about wraps it up on this job. Anyway, stay tuned for when we get ready to place some concrete. Thanks. Have a good one.